I want to share a quote with you. Many of you are not a stranger to Mr. Gary Vaynerchuk. I followed him for a long time. Great guy, incredibly smart at digital marketing. A quote he says is, the more content I put out there, the more luck I have. And there couldn't be more truth to that. And I'm on a mission to help as many people out there, especially in the real estate world, be able to step out and ascend and to be able to create content to bring value to their marketplace. Now, some of you may be here, though, and you may be like, well, what is content? I don't even really know what it is. Perfect. I didn't always know what it is either. But I want to tell you the importance of why content is so important. Because when you create something, you take something from the mind to the physical world, and it's out there, and you organize your thoughts, it makes you better. Like, I barely made it through high school. How in the hell can I write books? These are good books. I'm not scared. It's a great book. I worked my butt off on these things to make them incredible for you. I didn't cut any corners on it. And guess what? In that process, it made me better. And everything that you create makes you better. It's going to make you a better leader. It's going to make you a better communicator, more of an authority. It's going to make you think about things more. For me, I write and think and create all the time. And so I'm constantly thinking about thoughts, right? And that's an important thing to creating content. You're going to be able to provide more value to the marketplace, which is the core essential to what we do, is bringing more value to the marketplace. Content is a way to do that. People are craving great content. There's a lot of crap out there, meaning there's a lot of people that aren't scared to put themselves out there, that maybe are not as expert in the field as maybe you could be. And people are craving expertise. I'm going to show you how to take your expertise and to get it out there and get it seen. And here's the other part. Content solves a lot of problems. A lot of you may want to be generating leads online. You want to improve your follow-up campaigns, your systems. You want to improve your marketing messaging. But you're struggling with all those things. You're struggling with coming up with offers and lead magnets. And you look in the mirror and you ask yourself, why? Like, why am I struggling? Here's the answer. It's because you don't have the content. Content solves problems. If we have content, we can have an offer. Meaning, if I have content, I can have a lead magnet that I can market and attract my ideal potential customer, right? So content solves these problems. So it's important that we get serious about it, especially in the areas of lead generation, lead conversion. Content, especially your own, is going to help you convert and generate and convert more leads. It's a unique way to make you the undisputed authority. And doing all this is going to allow you to generate more leads on demand. Let's face it. In today's world, the marketplace wants you to be the expert. They want to work with the undisputed expert. And the reality is experts create content. That's what an expert is. Like I said, it's what it makes of you to create content. You may not think of yourself as an expert today. Like, some don't. But here's the thing. In this process, you're going to become the expert. And that's what the expert does. They see the thing as it is, and they can organize it and communicate it to make sense to the common person. That's what I do. I take complex things, I organize my thoughts, and I put it in a system for you to follow. Just like today. I've mastered content. I know things that I've had to learn on my own that I've never shared. Today, I'm going to share a lot of these things. Why? Because I was forced to organize this training for you around content. And in that process, it made me better. And it will you too. But the bottom line is we got to be seen and be positioned as the expert. And you can't fake it. You can fake it till you make it, but you got to make it. And eventually the expert has to create content.